Welcome to another video from TraderStream. So today we'll be talking about the difference between trading and investing. So you might have heard about these two words. Now if you are someone who is beginner to the stock market or any of the commodity or a forex market, you would have heard about what is the difference between trading and investing. So let's find out what is the difference between the trading and investing. Now how these two aspects are really different. Now the goal of trading versus the goal of investing is different. So the first major difference is trading is done to generate quick amount of profit by buying and selling shares or a commodity and selling it off within a certain stipulated time, which is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 4 weeks. Now what is investing? Now investing is all about investing the money by looking at the value proposition companies who are doing good and waiting for a long-term gain. Now a trader would really not mind how the company is performing, what is the EBITDA that they have, what is the management, what is the competition, how many dividends that they are giving in a year, what is the revenue that the company is making. It would really not make a concern to the trader, because what trader is looking at is a chart and for a price movement within that stipulated time. So he does not care whether the company is making good or bad. He just wants to enter into a trade and make quick bucks and move on. Well, investing is all about value proposition. What you will look at is the company, how the company is performing, and what type of debt that the company has, what type of competition, how much dividends that they are announcing. So what you would look at is the value of the company. So the goal of these two aspects is actually different. So trader is someone who wants to make money quick with a certain price movement. Investor is ideally looking to invest into a company and be a partner into a company and hold on to the shares of that particular company by looking at the value of the company. Now the profit. Now another difference is, in trading you buy shares at a lower price and sell at a higher price, or you short at a higher price, buy at a lower price. Whereas in investing, the investing is all about investing in a company and waiting for dividends, and also look at for additional shares. So what you would do is, in investing you would wait for dividends and reinvest those dividends in a particular stock, because what you want to do is compound the profit over a period of 5 or 10 years. So it is all about a time game. So difference is a time game between between trading and an investor who is investing. So that's the difference. So the time period is actually different. Now the return of amount that you would get would also be different on the trading and investing. Now the trading would give you a quick profit of 5, 10, 15% on a month or a week. Now it also has a risk of losing because you're using excessive leverage, which is provided by the broker. Whereas investing is all about investing the actual money that you have into the company, and the return that you would expect is for a complete 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. So the horizon between the both is different. The time you would look at for the return in the trading is a quick buck, whereas the time that you would look at in investing is a longer period of time. Now what are the actual differences in terms of the tools? Now traders actually use the charting tools like moving averages, trading indicators, and so on. So these are the charting tools that they look at. Now the investor would really look at the fundamental aspects of the market and the company. So the fundamental aspects include the price of a share, the price per earning of a share, or how the management forecast is, what is the PEG ratio, what is the PE ratio, what is the dividend that the company has given. So what they would look at is a total fundamental aspect of a script and a share, whereas a trader would look at the total technical aspect. Now, the trader or trading is all about buying of a share or a commodity to sell. The ideal goal is to sell. If you buy, you are selling. Whereas in investing, the ideal goal when you buy is to hold. It's to buy right and hold tight would be the ideal goal for an investor. Now the protection. Now the protection in terms of the trader and an investor. Now the trader trades at with the leverage that he gets from the broker. Now the losses that he will make would be really different. Why? Because what trader will do is, if he has let's say 5,000 in his account, what he would do is he would take excessive leverage and take positions in the market worth 50,000. This is the leverage that they get from the broker. Now if he makes a profit, it would be on the 50,000. Let's say he makes a 10% profit, it would be on 50,000. But if he makes a loss, it will be on 50,000. So a trader has the double sided sword, which is a leverage sword that they would be carrying. So they would win, but in case if it moves against them, it moves against them. Now the investor, what they will do is they will ideally invest the capital that they have. They would not excessively leverage their capital. Whatever capital that they have, that's the capital that they would go ahead and invest in the market. So what they will lose would be the actual capital, and most of the times the actual capital does not deteriorate or erode like how it happens in trading, because in trading whatever amount that you put in can be wiped out within minutes, but does not is not the same case in investing. If you have bought in wrong stocks, it erodes over a period of years. So the time difference is what is the major difference between trading and investing. So trading is about not holding the stocks in your portfolio, it is about just buying and selling. Investing is all about buying the stocks and holding in your portfolio for a longer period of time. So these are the basic differences between trading and investing. So of course we'll be talking about more topic in our coming videos. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll be talking about more questions and answers. We'll be answering more stock market challenges and stock market questions. So this is Mohsin signing off from TraderStream. Have a nice day.